Hi everybody, this is Miss Whitford here, and this is week 4, February 1st through the February 5th. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to Zoom with you guys this week or be at school, and I wanted to make sure you understood all your assignments this week. So I'm going to go over the daily checklist. You can find this in your Canvas account underneath modules. Again, week 4 daily checklist, and it'll look something like what's on my screen right now. So every day that you're at school, if there's a sub in the classroom, you should be playing through the things that are on the screen and doing the assignments that do not require your instrument as well. Those of you who are Craven Live, you should be playing a little bit each day and doing the assignments that don't require your instrument as well. And if for some reason there's not a sub on a day that you're there, then you need to do the assignments that don't require you to play when you're at school and the assignments that do require you to play when you're at home. So we'll first start by looking at this chart 3.5. You're going to need to make sure you have the counts written in for this. You can download it as a PDF into Google Drive, or you can open it up and take a screenshot. That's what it seems like most of you have found easier to do. And you really should have, I think, the first 4 lines written in already, the counts. And there's a different video reminding you guys of how to do that. But do remember also that when you're counting quarter notes, they get 2 pulses. 1, 2, 4. And when you have a rest, however many beats that rest would get, you count that in your head as silent. Half notes get 4 pulses, and whole notes get 8 pulses. All right, going back to the daily checklist. After you go through that, you can even go through tying it and playing through some of those rhythms to get practice on them. You find your beginning band warm-ups. You should have a screenshot of those. You can click on this link, and remember the tuba page pops up first, I believe. So you have to scroll down until you find your instrument name. And when you find that, take a screenshot of it. If you haven't already done that, most of you have already done that, so this is a review of information. Again, that's the tuba part. Scroll down till you find your part. Trumpet and clarinet, alto sax, flute, and percussion play the flute part as well. And then right below that, I have attached a link for you to use to play along with. This is me playing A, B, and D, okay? Let me see if this is the right link. I'll check that in a second. If it's not the right link, I will make sure the right link is uploaded. And then you need to look over number 34 in your Sound Innovations book. If you click on that link, it will take you to SI Online to help you practice and to hear what it sounds like. I also sent a video over the weekend in your email to help you practice number 34, which is Twinkling Stars. Should sound like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Some of the videos or the recordings that I heard last week did not sound like that, so that makes me think you guys need to take a little bit more time to practice that. You can also go through and look at number 35 is Twinkling Stars. 34 is just showing you the new note, and 36 is Jolly Old St. Nicholas, which is a familiar melody. When you finish those, or if you have a sub or you're not in the sub classroom with the sub, then you can do the GIM kit review, treble and bass class. If you have any other questions, please ask me. And when you get done going through that, you click next at the very bottom of that module, and you'll see the first assignment for the week. You should annotate the counts in for lines 5 through 8. Take a screenshot and submit that. And then your other assignment for this week is to record yourself playing line 1 from the beginning band warm-ups. And as we've done many, many times before, you can use Sound Corset to record yourself doing that at 60 to 80 beats per minute. If you have any other questions, let me know, and you guys have a great week.